Hey guys, Dean here. So May has come around, and with a brand new month, that means we have a brand new video on the top 5 best winning products to sell in May. So I've done a lot of effort to scrape the internet on various different product research tools, different ad platforms like Facebook and TikTok, and I found you guys the ad, I found you guys the product page, and also businesses that are already running this product to show you some examples of the stores. So let's jump into it. So the first product is this electronic heat eyelash curler. So this is quite a cool looking product. You could definitely sell this under a brand. Now it looks rather cheap, but the price to actually ship it's quite cheap as well. So you'll probably need to buy this product to test it out first. It has quite an ergonomic design if we look at it, and it comes into 2 different colors. So we have pink and we have white, and it actually fits around the person's eye shape. So it's an ergonomic design which fits around the shape of someone's eye. So it's a really cool looking product. And let's just go through the benefits of this product. Okay, so it supposedly gives them long lasting curls. It has 2 temperature control settings in this, so like a moderate and then a hot setting, or like a low and then a moderate heat setting. It's USB rechargeable, it's quick and easy to use, and it's convenient and portable. So this is one store that's selling it, this Amazing Hair store, amazinghair.com, heated electric eyelash curler. They're selling it for $25 right now, or £25, so this is around £5.40 to buy. They're selling it for $25, so they're making nearly £20 on it, but obviously they're going to be running ads too, so that's going to cut into the margins. And this is a really nice store. So if you're running like a beauty store, I think simplicity really wins in terms of the design. They have a really clean logo. It's just a white and black style for the actual theme. They've got some nice images down here, nothing too fancy, nothing too much, and they have a basic house style which is consistent throughout the whole website. So in terms of their images, it's this light pink and white style, and they don't really change that. They have some nice gifs inside here to show the product working. So they've taken these custom gifs themselves, and you can see they have the image specifications. And below it, they also have an upsell, so you can see frequently bought together, and then they have this eyebrow trimmer pen which you might want to also sell in your store, or you might want to include it in some kind of offer. If you buy 2 you get this free, something like that. So that's just an idea. And then some photo reviews down here. These guys are using the Luke's photo reviews app. I can notice this because this is the exact same one that I use on my website. So I'm going to quickly just show you the ad. I'm not going to show you any music because of YouTube's copyright problems, but you can get the gist. So this is a UGC ad, so they've obviously probably sent this product to like a girl to test it, and you can see they've created a sort of narrative around the ads. This is usually what you want to do with organic TikTok, kind of tell a story or play in some trends. It's a very basic ad. Now the reason why this has worked and it's got 3 million plays is because it's only 11 seconds, so it's got high replayability value. It has really quick shots, like 3 to 4 second cuts. It starts and it just ends very quickly. Okay, so that's an example of the ad for this that you can do. Try and tell the story, show a few shots of it being used, and then obviously they've used like the relationship arc as kind of like the story behind the product, so kind of plays on people's emotions in that way. So the next one is a little bit different. Now I don't usually recommend you to sell these like gadgets because they don't really actually solve a problem, but they definitely have that wow factor. Now this is kind of like a mini UFO disc which glides through the sky. You're not going to really understand what this is or how it works until I actually show you the website in the ad, because they've got a really good demonstration of it. But you can see it was really hard for me to find this product page, by the way, because this is kind of like a mostly untapped product. There's not many suppliers for it, so maybe you guys can actually scale this up. So there's a red UFO disc, a blue one, and a black one. And as you can see, this is a very small, lightweight product. It's portable. It's going to be fun for all ages. I mean, obviously you're mainly going to target kids and teenagers for this product, but you're probably going to have to charge it cheap because most kids don't have much money. And this is like a stress reducing little gadget or toy. It looks like it's quite durable. You'll have to test the product, but it looks like it's made out of kind of like a cheap metal, so I guess it's better than plastic, and it's safe to use, of course, as long as you don't throw it into someone's eye or at the head, right? And some of these actually glow, which looks really cool, so you could use that as the wow factor in the video. This is the main store selling it, the iFly store, and they sell the iFly spinner. Now they're selling this for $18. Now on our product page, it was £3.91. As you can see the price over here, so that's $4.88. So the price of selling it out on their store is $18 minus the product cost, which is $4.88. So that's $13.12 per unit sold as profit, but obviously that doesn't include ads, right? So that's the kind of margins you can expect. Not very high at all, but it's a very cheap product to sell. But they have actually used their own custom packaging and branding, which is something you could do. So they've probably found this like with a sourcing agent or an app like Zendrop, for an example, and branded it. I think this is more of a professional store where they've actually put some real branding in. Maybe they've got their own warehouses. This is an example that's like a real brand. Now their ad is just a viral video. You can see they just say this thing's so addicting. They show off the gadget with the glowing, flashing, strobing lights, and they're just throwing it to and from each other, playing catch in like some attic room or something. This video seems pretty basic, right? It's just got some trap beats on it, and it's just some kids messing about. This has 100 million views, so it just goes to show that even if this product doesn't really fix anyone's life, it still has a crazy wow factor. The wow factor is what makes you go viral on TikTok, which I think is personally better for organic marketing rather than ads. I think ads, you want to maybe advertise a product which has a solution to someone's problem, but this wow factor, don't sleep on the wow factor, because that's what can definitely make things go viral. I was pretty shocked when I saw this product, to be honest. So next up is a pet product. You know that everyone recommends pet products. I always do. I think they're great to sell. Now this is a little bit more of a customizable product, okay? This is a customized pet stamp, which is really unique, right? It has a wow factor. You're not really seeing this product everywhere. It's not like an oversaturated product, which is why I thought I'd recommend it, which means that you can offer a really cool customer experience with it, and they probably haven't seen it before. It's lightweight because it's a stamp. You can see the margins, it's very small, so that means it's also easy to ship, and it's going to play on people's affection for the pets. And because of that, just like with all other products in that niche, it's going to be very high gravity in terms of sales. So I'd really recommend tapping into this one. And you can see you can actually use images to customize this stamp. So you could use a picture of your dog or a cat and then actually use that to have a stamp of your pet, which is really nice. A lot of people who have their own pets that they love are going to really love this product. This store called Happy and Polly sell this currently, and you can see they have a really nice store. To be honest, this is just like a general pet store. I really like the look of it. So you can model this store. They have some bundles to save money. Now it's $16.99, so they're charging relatively a lot higher than it actually costs, but you can get away with doing it on the products like this because you actually have a high amount of customizability features, different colors, different names, images that they can upload to customize the actual stamp itself. So these products where you're providing a very up-end customer experience is where you can charge these prices. Now this is going to be the ad. I found this ad on Miner. If you want to use Miner, the link will be in my description of this video below. You can use this to find ads yourself, so you don't have to wait for these winning product videos. This is how I actually find most of my ads and products to show you guys. It plays on that whole meme where it's like that little song. I don't know if you've heard it on social media. It's like, who got you smiling like that? And then it like plays some song about being alive or something. If you know, you know. But basically it's playing off a trending sound effects on TikTok, right? And it's saying like the pet smiling once he sees this stamp, you know, makes people go, "Aw," and then they might watch the video and like it. So that's the kind of things you need to make videos around, okay? Especially on Facebook. I think this might be, is this a Facebook video? I can't remember if it's a Facebook or a TikTok video. It's probably TikTok if I've put it in this video, because I'm mainly focused on TikTok. But I think this is definitely a product you can make some good sales with. Next one is another laser hair remover. Now I've actually shown one of these products in one of these videos as a crystal hair remover, but this is a little bit different. I thought this was more interesting. It's very gentle on the touch to the skin, right? And it's a painless, non-toxic, eco-friendly and portable product which you can use in your hand, on your face, on your arms and underarms, for your legs and your belly. And it's a really cool lightweight hair remover. Okay, and as you can see, it's very simple. There's like a blade to it and it lights up. You piece it together and then you just run it down your skin and trim your hair off. It's a very simple, straightforward product, okay? The concept's very, very basic. It's a cheap product from China, but it does the trick, right? And these products do sell. This is a store selling it called lovingpal.co. This is the only store that I could find which looked good that was selling it, although their main header image is a little bit pixelated. To be honest, this isn't the best looking store, but it's probably the best that I could find selling it. They're selling this for £25, and their actual product page is really well designed, which is why I've shown this. They have some good clear images. Especially with these kind of products, you really want to play on kind of like the shock factor, so before and after picture always works really well. So that's what I recommend, especially on the product page itself. Show the product being used so they imagine actually using it themselves. They've used some really cool gifts. I don't know where they got these gifts from. I imagine they probably found them on AliExpress because they seem kind of a little bit complicated, but those gifts look really cool. You might want to find if they're copyrighted. If they're not, maybe copy them. There's a how to use guide, a lot of different photo reviews over here which look nice. I'm not sure which app they're using for this. This might be Luke's as well. I think this is the carousel on the Luke's app. Maybe it's a different photo reviews app, but this is a reviews carousel. Really nice looking. This is the ad they use. So it's a dude in this video, right? It's not a woman, which is obviously not typical. It's going to be surprising, but it's basically a guy and he's using this to shave off all the hair off his abs, I guess, to reveal like his muscle tone, which is kind of cool. So that also makes the product appeal to men in a typically like female dominant market, because this is in the health and beauty space. So that's that's kind of a cool idea. A lot of guys have a lot of excess body hair, and it also shrouds like any muscle definition. So this is actually a good way to kind of tap into that side of the market as well, which is quite clever. It has 126k plays as well, so a lot of people watch this. Then lastly, I'm going to show you these products. Now, the product I'm showing you isn't the exact one in the ad because I couldn't find the exact one in the ad, but they kind of work the same. It's the same premise, right? So this is an all-in-one charging stand. So it's multi-purpose. You've got 3-in-1 here. You've got a charge for Apple AirPods, Apple Watch, and iPhone. Now, this is going to kind of neglect the users of Android because you're marketing this to Apple users. There's literally millions of people with Apple products, so it's not really going to mean you're going to make less money. This is a unique wow factor product. It supports basically all of the different watches, all of the different AirPod models and iPhones. It's USB charging, and it negates the use of having multiple chargers, okay? So it solves the product. It's a unique wow factor product, and it means that people don't have to use multiple chargers and multiple plug connectors or plug sockets for those chargers. They can charge everything all at once in one easy to set up dock. It saves them time and maybe saves them power, I don't know, but it relieves stress, so this is a big point you can play on. This is just a generic, I guess, niche store in the tech space, a dollar tech and gadgets. I don't know how much sales they make, but they're selling kind of very similar products in this niche for like $30 to $40. So I couldn't find their product page for this. I think they might have stopped selling it because this is the original brand. They may have stopped selling it. They have portable chargers now, but I'd recommend just looking at this product page of some of their other products and also just their brand website, just for an idea how to build a website around that product. And then last up here is Miner again, so I can show you the ad. This is the original ad for the charger I wanted to actually show you. This is even better because it's foldable. It's designed so each charger folds on this like Velcro pouch, and then it fits into your bag or your maybe a handbag or purse. It's a really cool product, and that's why this one's a lot better than the one I showed you, because this is more portable. I think this quality of this product is much better. So if you can find something like this, it's definitely going to sell. And for these products where they just have that shock factor, you don't really need to even be that ingenious or clever about the actual ad. It just has to show the product works and it's something that's a lot different and unique to what they're used to. Boom. So that's this month's winning products. Make sure to smash the like button. Let me know if you've got any questions below about any of these products, and make sure to subscribe for more products every single month on the channel. And I'll catch you soon.